Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are well. So today we will learn the difference between both of words has and have. They can be used as a helping verb in a sentence. The form used will depend on the subject in a sentence. So without wasting her time, let's start it. Have. Have is used with the pronoun I, we, you, they and plural nouns in a present tense. यहाँ पे सिंगुलर नहीं है, प्लूरल नाउन के साथ हैव यूज़ होता है। यहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुई है। फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, I have a new bag, we have a meeting, you have a nice smile, they have an exam today, the students have to study hard for their exams. Has is used with the pronoun he, she, it, and singular noun in present tense. For example, he has a big house. She has beautiful long hair. It has been raining all day. The giraffe has a long neck. Ali has a blue car. When forming negative sentence, we use don't have for subject I, we, you, they, and plural noun in our present tense. For example, I don't have a new bag. We don't have a meeting. You don't have blue eyes. They don't have an exam today. We use doesn't have for a subject he, she, it, they, and singular noun in our present tense. For example, he doesn't have a big house. She doesn't have long hair. Ali doesn't have a red car. Lena doesn't have any kids. Don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz.